pagtalikod sa mahihirap ay pagtalikod sa Diyos. Yan ang sentro ng homily ni Pope Leo sa kanyang Christmas Eve Mass. Sa misa sa St. Peter's Basilica, sinasabi ng Santo Papa na present ang Diyos kahit na kanino man. Ito ang kanyang unang Pasko bilang leader ng Catholic Church matapos mahalal na kapalit ng yumaong si Pope Francis.
Che la notte dell'errore oscura questa provvidenziale verità.
To refuse one is to refuse the other. Yet, where there is room for the human person, there is room for God. Even a stable can become more sacred than a temple, and the womb of the Virgin Mary become the ark of the new covenant. While a distorted economy leads us to treat human beings as mere merchandise, God becomes like us, revealing the infinite dignity of every person. While humanity seeks to become God in order to dominate others, God chooses to become man to free us from every form of slavery.